Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this channel, we talk about futures trading and the analysis, technical analysis that we need to look for to make sure that we have successful trading. So I will share with you my screen and show you some stuff that are very important for the trading and the analysis and confirmations to make sure that we feel comfortable when we enter into a trade. In one of my latest video, I actually was speaking about how we want to have a stop loss in this area, and in this zone right here we want to enter with basically a trade looking to go into the area of 520 to 224, which will be even lower than that, which will be in this orange line. There is a supply zone in this area. However, we want to see a massive move going to the bottom. So this move actually did start happening. I unfortunately wasn't by the computer. I didn't also put this trade in my system, so it went without me. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna enter in the middle of it, because then my risk reward will not be as favorable. But if you will see, and let's an example, we enter somewhere in this area with the stop loss to here, so it would be actually a very good trade with at least 2.5 risk to reward. If you enter with 2-3 lots and more, then you will have a trade that really cannot go red on you and will be very profitable. Again, you cannot be upset when you lose a position. You just need to understand that you cannot sit in front of a computer and not take trades, because you will continuously lose opportunities that will cost you over the long run. Some type of emotional greed that you will chase opportunities that are not good opportunities. What I want to speak about in this video as well will be about your watch list. Okay, what type of watch list you want to build and how you're really going to build that and why you want to build such a watch list. So here basically we want to have the ES, which will be basically the 500 top largest companies on the markets. Okay, then you want to make sure that you have also the US 500, which moves very similarly to our ES market, so it's very similar. Then you want to have this SPX, which again move very similarly to our ES and to our US 500. And then you want to have the SPY, which is SPY. How you add them? You basically make a watch list. It can be your current watch list that you have, or create a new watch list. You can also import it. Okay, so once you create this watch list, basically you go to this add symbol. Okay, and then you just type which one you want. So let's an example, I will type whatever that I don't have currently on this watch list. And then to make sure that it is going to be added to the watch list, you just want to click the plus button, which will add to that watch list. Okay, and then basically if you don't want it and you made a mistake, you can remove it just by the click. I added a certain ticks and certain markets into this watch list, and what I did, I moved it, so you can click on it and drag it to wherever you want. Also, if you already have it in another watch list, so let's an example, I have this different watch list, you can always highlight that in a different color, so it will go to a specific watch list, which you can find that here also in the green. Okay, and you can create cryptocurrencies. You can create as many watch lists as you want, if you have the type of plan that they will allow you. So let me see, share list. So in my Discord, what I will be happy to do, I will be happy to share with you my list of watch list. So the red watch list, the green watch list, the kind list, which is the watch list, and the other watch list that I'm watching. If you want, you can just basically copy the link and put that into basically import list. So once you click on import list, you will be able to import that to your trading view. Okay, so right now we're going back to our red list, and what we want to figure out here is basically we have this supply, which was, and then it became a demand. Okay, became a demand that clearly sold off very well. On the NQ, sold off very well as well, and the VIX actually moved lower as a result as well. So what happened, we do have analysis on two of our charts, but not here as of yet. So I want to make that video so you guys will be able to see those analyses. And right now actually there is data issue, so we will not do analysis on a market that have data issue, but they will fix that. Yesterday we had the same thing with the gold market, so they will fix that and we will get to that. Here what happened, I just actually made those analyses on the market of the SPY, and you can see that it's in this area that we want to see the rejection, which is on the ES. Okay, on the ES we want to see the rejection in this area for a move higher, which will be in the zone of the 5224 area. Okay, so very important to keep an eye on that, and just know what you are waiting for. So in this area we are looking for a rally. If let's say an example, we come to this area and you have a plan, make sure that you take that trade and trade your plan, don't trade your emotions. Okay, very, very important to keep in mind. So the NQ breaks very well. Very interesting to see what will happen in this area. In this area we want to see most likely a rejection. Okay, phenomenal. So just one more thing, what we want to see, this will be equivalent. So from here to here we basically want to see a rejection, which we will see it in this area. So basically this drop right now on the ES and the SPY will be equal to basically 5200, which is a whole number. So it's very close to that number actually already. It was just there in a moment ago. So there is a rally here which will be respective into a drop, continuous drop, as we mentioned. And as we always say, repetition is the mother of skill. So it's important to make sure that you continuously watch those videos, take note for yourself, and actually Become more comfortable and confident in your reading of the chart. Very, very important. So on this note, I will end this video. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.